In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eBay local pickup. If you want to sell an item on eBay and have the buyer collect it in person instead of shipping it, local pickup is a simple option to use. This can be especially helpful for larger items, fragile products, or anything that may be expensive or inconvenient to mail. I'll walk you through the basic setup so you can turn that option on directly in your listing. To get started, go to eBay and click Sell. This takes you into the listing flow, where you can create a new listing or continue setting up an item you want to post. If you're already signed in, this should bring you straight to the selling section. Make sure you're working on the correct listing before you move forward, especially if you sell multiple items. Next, select the item you want to list. Depending on how you're creating the listing, this may mean choosing an existing product match, selecting a draft, or confirming the item you're about to sell. The important part here is that you open the listing you want to edit, because local pickup is set at the item level. Take a moment to verify that the title, category, and item details have to match what you're selling so everything stays accurate. Once you're inside the listing editor, scroll down to the shipping section. This is where eBay lets you choose how the buyer will receive the item. If the page has a lot of listing details, keep scrolling until you see the area related to delivery or shipping preferences. It's a good idea to review this section carefully, since the options you choose here affect both buyer expectations and how the order is completed later. From there, select local pickup. When this option is enabled, you're telling eBay that the buyer can collect the item in person rather than having it shipped. This can make the transaction easier for nearby buyers and can save time on packing and postage. Just remember that once local pickup is selected, you'll want to make sure the rest of your listing is clear and consistent with that delivery method. And now that's it. Those are the steps to use eBay local pickup in your listing. After enabling it, you can continue reviewing the rest of your item details before publishing. If you're selling something bulky or something better handled face-to-face, this is a practical feature to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.